In this video, I'm going to show you how you can double check your responses in Google Gemini. You may want to double check your response to see the references and also highlight the most important points on your responses in Google Gemini. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to double check your response, just go ahead and below the response here, go ahead and click on these three dots or more, and you should see this option called double check responses. If you want to double check a previously generated response, you can still do so. Just head over to the end of it and hover over here, and you should see an option for more here. If you click on double check response, now this will go ahead and prepare your results, and within a moment it will highlight sections on your responses that you can double check. For instance, if I go ahead and hover over this and click on expand here, you can see the references and additional information about this point. So you can go ahead and check or double check all the responses on each and every highlighted part on Google Gemini. And if you wish to remove or to exit from double check, just go ahead and again click on more, again click on double check responses, and this will go ahead and remove the green highlight for double check on your Google Gemini response. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.